Today in this video I'm gonna explain Xiaomi Redmi 8 hard reset or pattern unlock. Turn off the smartphone by pressing the power key for a while. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Release all keys when the Redmi logo appears and wait for a moment. Once in recovery mode, navigate to wipe data and select wipe all data using the volume keys to move and the power button to accept. After confirming, select confirm and proceed with the power key. Return to the main menu and select reboot. Choose reboot to system using the power button. Your data has been cleared during this process. Once the reset is complete, your phone will revert to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.